Hello, and thank you for watching this Hexagon Geospatial e-training module on redlining with GeoMedia Smart Client. Redlining allows the user to draw new features on the map and stores them in a local file. The feature is represented in the client on a working level. GeoMedia Smart Client now has the option to change the redlining styles on the fly. The style options available are based on the geometry type. There are two redlining methods available. Local redlining creates features only available on the user's client. Database redlining creates features visible on every client with a connection to the redline feature in the database. There are many redlining commands available for varying project needs, including the new arc by center and arc by 3 points commands. Our video today covers local redlining. For more information on database redlining, please see the GeoMedia Smart Client online documentation. Now let's see how to redline using GeoMedia Smart Client. We'll begin by creating and styling a new redline element using the default options directly in GeoMedia Smart Client. From the Redline tab, I can click Draw Poly. I'll move my cursor onto the map window and begin to digitize a new polygon. With snapping on, it's easy to trace the edge of the polygon. When finished, I simply double-click to end the feature. We'll use the Delete tool to remove this feature and show a second example. I'll again create a polygon, but this time I'll apply different styling to the element. Again, I'll open the Draw Poly tool from the Redline tab. This time I'll use the Style tools to change the line type to dash dotted and the color to red. We can also increase the size of the line to 3. After entering a size value, it's important to remember to click Enter on your keyboard to confirm the change. Again, I'll draw a polygon on the map. The style is transferred from the last edit, so you'll always see the option of the latest style. Again, we'll remove this element. Now let's take a look at a text element. With the text tool activated, I can use the Redline Style tools to define the color and the size of the font. Here I'll set the color to black and the text size to 25. Under the Capture heading, next to Text, we can enter the text we would like to apply to the map. Here we'll enter, "This is an example text." The angle is set to 45 degrees and locked by activating the Lock tool. To place the text, I can click in the window and drag a line to define where to place the text. You can see the black, size 25 text is added at 45 degrees. Next, I'll reactivate the Text tool, but change the size and the color of the text. I can also unlock the angle. When I place my line to define the placement of the text, I can now click to place an anchor and rotate the line to place it at any angle. To keep the workspace clean, I'll delete the text. Next, we'll see how to change the style of an existing element. I'll begin by creating a new redline element following the steps in the previous examples. I start by choosing the geometry and style for the polygons and then create the redline polygons. I can also quickly add some text elements. To change the style of the elements I just created, I first have to change the redline working level to active. I can do this by right-clicking on the redline working level and selecting Set Active. Next, I need to select the elements I want to change. In this case, I will use my Shift key to select both polygons and the text. I can now right-click on one of the geometries in the map and select Edit Redline Style. This opens a dialog box that contains styling options of all the selected geometries. I'll set the styles I want and click OK. To update the styles, right-click on the redline layer and select Set Inactive. You'll now see the changes in the map. Thank you for watching this e-training module from Hexagon Geospatial. For more e-training, visit hexagongeospatial.com/e-training.